Well, my name is Anthony Sequeira, and this is another micro nugget regarding our CCDA program here at CBT Nuggets. Let's talk about something that you're going to want to do inevitably if you're called in on a design engagement. It's an organization that wants to maybe add some new services. Let's pretend they want to add voice over IP to their existing infrastructure. One of the first things you're going to go about setting out with is characterizing that existing network. And it's very straightforward and methodical to do as long as you get some instruction on it. In this micro nugget, let's cover these steps that we would go through to characterize the existing network before you just start designing into that network new services like voice over IP. Now, in the real world, what we're going to do, and by the way, if you're interested in the CCDA certification exam, you would want to know these in the specific order. What we're going to want to do is first gather all the existing documentation that that organization has, and I mean all of it. Even if we think there's a very remote chance a particular selection of documentation will help us, I want you to compile it all. Now, I know what you're saying. You're saying, wait a minute, what existing documentation? Yeah, nice try, Anthony. Sure enough, they did not document their network properly. Well, certainly gather anything that they have attempted to document. Realize that you might need to be helping them fill in that documentation as well. Notice I have and query. We're going to be asking them questions regarding whatever documentation that we can find. So this is our step one. Remember, we go in order. In step two, we perform network audits. This helps to add detail to our description of the documentation. This is often where we are assisting them by filling in the blanks in their documentation. And then if possible, we do traffic analysis. And again, this is to augment the information that they have given us. Although this third step is a great principle, oftentimes it gets a little costly to actually do in an actual project. But classically, we can gather the existing documentation as step one. And as part of that, of course, we're querying the organization, do our network audit, and then do traffic analysis. Now, I want to remind you while we're here together in this micro nugget of some great tools that are built right into your routers and switches. So a lot of times, these tools are going to be available right inside the user's equipment. It's things like NetFlow. Right? NetFlow can really help us with audit and traffic analysis. There's network-based application recognition, or NBAR. There is tools like the IP SLA set of tools inside your Cisco devices. On your switches, there's SPAN and remote SPAN. So that would be RSPAN. So lots of tools built right into Cisco devices, and of course, competitors to Cisco also use similar tools. So we should definitely consider this as we are carefully characterizing the existing network. In the case of a voice over IP implementation, obviously one of the reasons you're so carefully characterizing the existing network is you need to make sure that from a quality of service perspective, their network is going to get the job done when it comes to voice over IP. If it's not, you're obviously performing this analysis to see what changes you need to make in order for a successful voice over IP rollout. Well, I sure hope this micro nugget has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.